Welcome to Chao on Tour episode, featuring my go-to drink, Matcha Green Tea Latte. Today we are again in Chiangmai, northern Thailand, which is an hour's flight from Bangkok. If you are looking for some of the best specialty cafes in the country, Chiangmai is the best destination. This cafe is called the Baristro, an Asian-style cafe. Here, one has to pay an entrance fee to get in. It is 80 Thai baht, or about $250 US. Would customers go for this? Charging an entrance fee eliminates non-paying customers and makes sure that legitimate customers are given priority, especially when seats are limited. Personally, I think this is a great idea. Not typical, but let's find out if it's worth it, shall we? The good news is that the fee is consumable. That is, the ticket may be used to purchase a drink in the cafe. Drinks are priced from 80 Thai baht, so you should be perfectly covered with your entrance fee. As we entered, we are greeted by a lovely garden and soothing background music. To get to the main building, there is a covered wooden walkway which made me feel special. Somehow, it is as if I was being ushered to some place special. Not to mention the fact that it is very comforting to walk in the shade, especially when it is very hot in the summer months. It also means not getting wet during rainy days. There is a sign, Matcha and Slow Bar. That is where I am heading. I love the vibes of this place. Look at all this outdoor seating. Chiang Mai is the winter capital of Thailand. It would most certainly be lovely to sit out when the weather is cooler. At the moment, it is scorching hot. Try 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. This is Thailand in the summer months. For those that like Thai-style seating, this area is the place to be. On to the main building then. I am following these signs to the slow bar and matcha sections of the cafe. More outdoor seating here. I can imagine this place being packed with people on weekends and holidays, especially once the tourists start to come back when travel restrictions are less. Well, Thailand is now open for tourists, just so you know. We are ready to welcome you all. Now this is the matcha section of this cafe. Glass boxes for floorings. Matcha drinks are prepared right in front of the customers as they sit comfortably on those makeshift floor seatings without having to sit cross-legged. Let's take a look at the coffee bar and bakery. Judging from the number of customers here on a slow Monday morning, the entrance fee is not an impediment to the popularity of this place. While seated and waiting for my drinks, I was able to chat with some customers who were mostly first-time visitors like myself and local tourists, all wanting to know what the hype about this place is all about. I love the design of the floorings, walls, tables and chairs, and of course the main counter bar. I love the sunken cake display, keeping the main counter rather tidy. Everything here screams quality with a capital Q. Victoria Arduino coffee grinders, premium quality, and of course, one of the most expensive brands out there. Only the best seems to be the norm of this place. Let me take you back to the Matcha Bar. Today, I am not having coffee. I am going for the signature matcha drink, whatever that might be. They also have t-shirts for sale in case you would like to take them back home for souvenirs. Lots of coffee beans on display and for sale. Well, it's time to order my drink. I'm going for the regular matcha latte with no ice. I would like to taste the matcha without having it diluted with ice. Now let's watch how they prepare my drink. Ceremonial, of course. For those that are new to matcha, they come in many grades and blends. Unfortunately, the taste is directly proportional with the price. The more expensive the blends, the better tasting they are. This cafe is definitely not skimping on quality with the tools, equipment, ingredients, and service of the staff. The price is on the high end, and I am about to find out whether it is all worth it. Well, I had an amazing experience here. I love the place. The staff was so friendly. The drink, the matcha latte that I had was 10 out of 10. I would really give it that high ranking. I love matcha, and I think they did a great job making it. I also had the Thai milk tea. It was lovely. And the place, I think that the 80 baht entrance fee is worth it. They should charge more just to get into this place. Hats off to the owner. If you're ever in Chiang Mai, I'd recommend that you visit the Baristro Asian style. Absolutely fantastic place. You'll have a great time. I hope that you enjoyed looking at this place as much as I did. I'll see you again for more of these video clips in the future. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.